All right, everybody, good Friday morning. Take a look at this picture. This was sent into my email in the overnight. Macy Carlson, she's a 6-year-old. What is that, first or second grade? Not sure about that, but obviously the kids are home and making a project for Earth Day, which was a couple days ago. Her mom says that she took some outdoor pieces. There was rocks or twigs or whatever and put together this nice project for us. She says she wants to put a smile on everybody's face here on this Friday morning going into the weekend. Folks, we got a lot of clouds around again for today and even some hazy conditions, especially across our southernmost zones. Looks like Comstock Park and Stanton, central and northern portions of West Michigan, not noticing nearly as much of that haze. And even where there is the haze, it's not reducing visibilities to the extent where it'll be bothering you driving around. Minimal cars out there on the roads. I guess that's a good thing to see versus what I've been noticing the last few afternoons around West Michigan. So maybe let's keep people at home as we go forward through this weekend. 39 degrees GR. We've got 38 in Ionia and low to mid 40s Lakeshore and southern sections. You know, Benton Harbor got to about 60 degrees yesterday, but that was the far exception to the rule as we only topped out at 46 in GR. Got to 53 though in Kalamazoo. Had mentioned that in the morning and during the midday show how it would warm closer to the Indiana line and it was going to be tough to warm locally, and it was. How about 42? That was the max temp in Lansing, the state's capital, there on Thursday. Winds are on the light side out of the northeast, about 5 to 7 miles per hour, and they'll be light right on through midday, early to mid-afternoon, and even through this evening. Wind's a non-factor, and that's some good news because it stays on the chilly side. Average highs in the lower 60s now, folks. All we get to is 54 if we're lucky, and I think a lot of clouds are going to be maintained into the afternoon. Could there be a few breaks for sunshine? I'm seeing that on the models for late day into this evening, but that's probably optimistic. If we do see it, maybe we could get a degree or two higher, but I think the overall trend recently is for more clouds and cooler conditions than anticipated. Some Saturday showers will be around, but the trend on the models also in the overnight is to push these further southward. So I think there's actually an opportunity. We may actually skate free of rainfall on Saturday in Grand Rapids. It'll be close, but Kalamazoo, especially towards the Indiana line, better shot for some rain. Nonetheless, even if we don't see any rain at all, it's going to be quite cloudy Saturday, but quite sunny on Sunday. So get ready for that as temperatures will make a rebound into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Now, I have been talking about getting closer to 60 on Sunday. That'll be for inland locales right along the lakeshore with a northwest breeze. It will be considerably cooler. All of us, though, do start to warm up to around 60 plus by later Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday before another system that has more rain with it midweek will be cooling us down, I think, for a 2-3 day stretch late next week into that following weekend. But there will be some rebound as we work through that following weekend. One system over towards the east coast, a second one over Iowa, weakening as it approaches. Could bring a shower or a sprinkle or a patch of drizzle to southwest Michigan this afternoon. The majority of us are going to stay dry. And then a third system coming out of Colorado into Kansas. That's the one that looks like it may in fact miss us by and large tomorrow, except for sections along I-94 and southward. Watch the RPM model as we go forth. A lot of clouds overlying the map, and I'm afraid they will be around through the bulk of today. If we are to get a break or two for sun, it would be very late afternoon into this evening. That's the way it stands right now, but more than likely mostly cloudy all day, and then the clouds overnight tonight lead to some showers. You see those green colors? Yeah, they're edging up very close to the Indiana line, and I do think we will get some rain I-94 and southward, but the question is how far northward from I-94 do the rain showers go? Latest indications, not very far, so that's some good news if you want a dry weekend here in GR. How about a sunny weekend? Mike and Nicole to near 60 by Sunday.